In this video, we're going to be looking at the EBY DO14K20 deck-over equipment trailer. This unit is perfect for hauling small to medium-sized equipment, large bales of hay, or pallets of product. At 102 inches wide, it can comfortably hold 2 pallets of product side by side, and the 50/50 ramps provide a nice flat surface all the way to the tail end of the trailer. Its GVW is 14,000 pounds. The empty weight is 2,770 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload of 11,230 pounds. This unit here includes a tradesman package, which includes 4 aluminum wheels, a spare tire, and a built-in A-frame toolbox. It also comes standard with a Demco 2 5/16 adjustable 15K ball coupler and a 12,000-pound side crank jack. The DO14K20 is pieced together using the huck bolt fastening system, minimizing the number of welds needed. With an extruded aluminum flooring, no 3-inch C-channel cross members are needed across the bottom. This floor itself is the structure of the frame, so you have the frame rails running back and the floor gets welded directly to the frame. It also comes standard with 4 removable stake pocket D-rings. In addition, it has 2 7,000-pound rubber-infused torsion axles, providing a smoother ride compared to the slipper spring axles. And if you are looking to haul a heavier load, this trailer can be upgraded to 2 8,000-pound axles.